Yeah. Hey, I'm Dr. Craig Butler, your Northwest Ohio chiropractor, and this is Ashley. And Ashley just came in a few minutes ago for an adjustment, and she's pregnant right now. How far along are you?
25 weeks.
25 weeks. So we see pregnant patients quite often. A lot of times while they're pregnant, they have low back pain, especially in the SI joints, and then the TL junction, and then afterwards, when they're holding babies all the time, then they get upper back and neck pain. So it just changes. So today, Ashley's a little tight on the left SI joint, and then a little tight right there.
Mm-hmm.
You're always tight up here, right?
Yes, my
Okay.
back.
Your neck. So let's adjust your pelvis first. I'm going to have you lay on your right side. So when's your due date?
November 13th.
Oh, turn this way.
Right side.
Yeah. Scoot your shoulder down a little bit. Right there. Good. That moved good. Let's go over the other side. Okay, lay on your back. Alright, first one we're going to go for here is T12L1. So I'm going to reach behind your head here. We're going to roll you up just a little bit. I know that's a little uncomfortable. A real bit. Just lay back. One time. There it goes. Good. A little tougher.
Felt good.
Gonna scoot you down a little bit. Good. Now we'll get that upper back. Alright, there. Lay back. Good. That is nice and easy. Okay. Let's bring you up.
Thank you.
And we'll bring you back in the chair over here. Let's see how that feels.
Better.
Yeah, it does. That's pretty good. That hip moved great. Back in the chair up. Now you sit back. Yeah, it's all on the bottom here, isn't it?
Yep.
More on the
usually
left?
shoulders.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Right here.
Mm.
Good one. Retract back a little and turn. One more. There we go. That moved great.
Yeah.
Good. Feeling good?
Yes, thank
Cool.
you.
Well, thanks for letting me make a video.
Absolutely.
This is Ashley. I'm Dr. Butler. You guys have a good day. Bye.